Alright, hi, we're using the MAC Pro Concealer Palette. Zoom in. That's the light one, this is the dark one. And we're going to use this yellowish color here. I'm going to use that to go right in and take off and brighten the redness. You want to use little short strokes. And what we're doing is just neutralizing that redness. So it's just not so red. I'm going to do the same thing around here. Around here. And on these guys. Fantastic. The next thing we're going to use is a little bit of the 3G. This is Veil Cosmetics.
Now, is that a color corrector or is that a concealer?
This is both. You can use it as both. You can use it as a color corrector, you can use it as a concealer.
I mean, I can see what it's doing, which is awesome. Would you consider it like a heavy duty one or a light one?
It has more light reflecting properties to it.
Okay. And this can be used on young people, people with a little bit of lines around their eyes, and it doesn't cause buildup or...
No buildup, no creasing. Has a little bit of light reflection, so it's just really going to go in there and bounce light off. But what I like about it is it just gives a very natural look to the skin. So I've added makeup, but it doesn't look like I've added makeup.
Right. So he just went right in on where there was a tiny bit of darkness, and he's just getting rid of it. Like a little eraser.
Yeah. I like to erase things. Fantastic. All right. So now we're going to go in with some foundation.
Now, I see you're strategically placing your foundation in different areas.
Yes.
Is that where you want more coverage?
Where I want more coverage, but also it's kind of like helping me not to put on a lot. I'm just only putting on what I need.
Right.
And the whole purpose of putting on foundation is making sure she looks like she has great skin and it doesn't look like she's wearing foundation. And I think that's the thing that turns a lot of women off, is the fact that it looks like they have a lot of cakey makeup on.
Okay, I can say you're not even done, and you can tell already it looks amazing.
Yeah. Perfect skin. Let's add a little glow in the cheek there. Why not?
Beautiful.
I think a lot of times people use way too much highlighter than they actually need. It should just give you a nice, soft glow. crossing it in to the skin. Perfect skin.
Beautiful.